Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of label printing with what I believe is the best laser photo printer out there. The Zebra ZSB series multi-purpose label printer. Now, let me tell you why this printer stands out from the crowd. Not only is it sleek and compact, but it's also a powerhouse when it comes to printing labels for all your needs. Whether you're printing address labels, barcode labels, product information, or even UPCs, ASINs, this printer has got you covered. And with its wireless capabilities, you can say goodbye to messy cables cluttering up your workspace. Setting up this printer is a breeze. You can design and print labels using the online tool, or simply use the Windows, Mac driver to print labels created elsewhere. Plus, it's compatible with Apple AirPrint and Android Print Service, making it versatile and easy to use. Now, let's talk about print quality. With thermal printing technology and a resolution of 300 dpi, you can expect crisp text, sharp graphics, and scannable barcodes every time. And the best part? There's no ink to refill, so you can say goodbye to expensive cartridges. One thing to note is that this printer works exclusively with ZSB label cartridges, which come in various sizes to suit your needs. From 1 to 2 labels, you'll find the perfect fit for your printing tasks. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers who have experienced the Zebra ZSB series firsthand. As you can see, customers love the ease of use, wireless connectivity, and impressive print quality of this printer. It's a reliable workhorse that gets the job done without any hassle. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best laser photo printer, look no further than the Zebra ZSB series multi-purpose label printer. It's efficient, versatile, and delivers top-notch results every time. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Until next time, happy printing!